Morning Guru Puja.
I'm seeing so many of you are doing so many mistakes. The puja mantra. All of you have a xerox of this page. And I will now read out. Alright, first you all guys sit and chant, then I will correct the whole thing. Start the Manas Puja mantra. Manas Puja mantra theriyuma?
ऋत्मत्ममासनं दद्यात् सहस्रारच्युतां हृदि वाद्यं शरणयो दद्यात् मनस्सु अर्घ्यं निवेदये तेन मृदेन आचमनीयं स्नानीयं तेन संस्कृतम् आकाशतत्त्वं वस्त्रं शाद्गन्धशाद्गन्धतत्त्वकम् सिद्धं प्रकल्पयेत् पुष्पं धूपं प्राणान् प्रकल्पयेत् तेजस्तत्पञ्च दीपात्तं नैवेद्यं शाश्वताम्बुधिः अनाहतध्वनिर्घण्टा वायुतत्पञ्च सामरं सहस्रारं भवेत् सत्रं सप्ततत्पञ्च कीलकम् नित्यमिन्द्रियकर्माणि चाञ्चल्यं मनसस्तदा सुमेखलां पद्ममालां पुष्पं नानाविधं तदा अमायच्चैर्भावपुष्पैः अर्चयेत्
भावकोशरं कोसनम இல்ல கோஷரம்
भावकोशरम्
பாவ இல்ல பாவ எல்லாமே பாவ தான்
भावकोशरम् अमायम् अनहङ्कारम् अराहम् अमदं तदा अमोघम् अदं पञ्च अत्तेश अक्षौकौ तदा
अक्षोभगौ
तदा अमात्सर्यम्
अमात्सर्यं अलोभं च दशपुष्पं विदुर्बुधा
अमात्सर्यं पञ्च दशपुष्पं विदुर्बुधा अहिंसा परमं पुष्पमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः दया पुष्पं क्षमा पुष्पं ज्ञानपुष्पं च पञ्चमम् इति पञ्चदशैर्भावपुष्पैः भावपुष्पैः
सम्पूजयेत् सद्गुरुम्. I think I should give you the meaning of this mantra. This is the Manasa Puja. You see, doing puja with outside objects is different. Doing puja with your whole being is different. This is the ultimate meditation technique. This mantra says, let me first chant, then I will give the meaning. Om Hridpadmamasanam dadyat Sahasrarachyutamrutaihi Bhadyam saranayor dadyat Manastu argyam nivedayet Tena amrudena achamaniyam स्नानीयं तेन च स्मृतम् आकाशतत्त्वं वस्त्रं स्यात् गन्धस्यात् गन्धतत्त्वकम् चित्तं प्रकल्पयेत् पुष्पं धूपं प्राणान् प्रकल्पयेत् तेजस्तत्त्वं च दीपार्थम् नैवेद्यं स्यात् सुधाम्बुधिः अनागतध्वनिर्घण्टा वायुतत्त्वं च चामरं सहस्रारं भवेत् छत्रं शब्दतत्त्वं च गीतकम् नृत्यमिन्द्रियकर्माणि चाञ्चल्यं मनसस्तथा सुमेखलां पद्ममालां पुष्पं नानाविधं तथा अमायद्यैर्भावपुष्पैः अर्चयेत् भावकोशरम् अमायम् अनहङ्कारम् अरागम् अमदं ददा अमोघगम् मदं पञ्च अद्वेष अक्षोभगौ ददा अमत्सर्यम् अलोभम् च दशपुष्पं विदुर्बुधा अहिंसा परमं पुष्पं पुष्पमिन्द्रियनिग्रह दया पुष्पं क्षमा पुष्पं ज्ञानपुष्पं च पञ्चमम् इति पञ्चदशैर्भावपुष्पैः सम्पूजयेत् सद्गुरुम्। ॐ हृद्पद्ममासनं दद्यात्. It means my Hridaya Kamala is the asana for you. So actually puja means, if I come to your house, what you usually do? You'll give me seat, you'll wash my feet, and give me food to eat, and give me water to wash the hands. The same thing is done. That's all. God is there, we are taking care, and especially here he is actually sitting there. You don't even have to visualize. He is sitting there. He is simply there. Go and ask him, he will give anything. Only ask good things. Of course, I told him these idiots will come and ask all nonsense. Just take care that give only what is good for them. He will give do only good. But he is simply there. Anyhow. Om Hridpadma Masanam Dadyat. My Hridaya Kamala, Hridpadma is the seat for you. Sahasra Achyutamritai Bhadyam means the Amrita which comes out of the Sahasra. When the Kundalini reaches the Sahasra, the Amrita which comes, that is the Bhadya for you. Means the water to wash the feet. Padam means feet. Bhadyam means water to wash the feet. Bhadyam Saranayor Dadyat means to wash your feet, that is a Bhadyam. Manastu Argyam Nivedayet. Argyam means offering a flower. My mind is the Argya for you. In the Argyam you will keep 5 things: bay leaf, sandal paste, rice, and the dhruva grass, and flower. 5. All these 5 represents the mind. Rice represents the karmas. Sandal, gandha represents the vasanas. The betel leaf represents the chitta. And the flower is the buddhi. And all these things are just offered at the feet of God. Manastu argyam nivedayet. My mind itself I offer it at your feet as a argya. Tena amritena achamaniyam. That same amrita. Tena amrita means, which was said as a little earlier. The Sahasrara amrita, same Tena amrita is achamaniya. That is the same amrita I give you as a water to wash the mouth. Tena amritena achamaniya means the same amrita I give for your mouth washing. Snani yamte nacha smritam. With that same amrita I do abhisheka for you. Agasa tattvam vastram syat. This whole sky, Agasa tattva, I offer it to you as a vastra, dress. Gandhasyat gandha tattvakam. The whole planet Earth I put as a dot for you. Gandha tattvakam. The planet Earth. This is gandha means the sand, the mud. The whole gandha tattva I put it as a sandal paste for you. It's a gandha for you. Chittam prakalpayet pushpam. My whole memory, my whole chitta, I offer it at your feet as a pushpa. Dubam pranan prakalpayet. The prana vata, the flow of the prana is the duba for you. Like sambrani. That is the dubam. Tejas tattvanja divartam. My tejas, intelligence, I show as a arati to you. Divartam. Naivedyam syat sudam buddhi. Suddha buddhi. Suddha buddhi means a pure mind. I offer that as a Naivedya to you. Anagata Dvanir Ganta. Anagata Dvani means when you meditate, you hear a sound, soundless sound. That Anagata Dvani is the Ganta, the ring, bell for you, bell for puja. Vayu Tattvanja Chamaram, the whole breeze is Chamara. Sahasraram Bhavet Chakram, the Sahasrara Chakra is the umbrella which I hold for you. Sabda Tattvanja Geetakam, the Sabda Tattva is in the throat. From Sabda Tattva only you start speaking. Because the Sabda Tattva is there, you are able to speak, otherwise you can't speak. That Sabda Tattva is a music for you. I offer the Sabda Tattva as a music for you. Sabda Tattvanja Geetakam Nrityam Indriya Karmani. After the puja you are supposed to dance to please him. My Indriya Karmas, all my work is the Nritya to please you. Because that is one of the service. Sanchalyam Manasastata. My physic Indriya's movement and the mind movement is a dance I do for you. I do it to for your sake or to make you pleased. Sumegalam Vatmamalam Pushpam Nanavidam Data. Your Avarnas, the Sumegala means that is the Avarana, till the hip, what all the Avarnas you will wear. I offer my Bhatma Mala, means that my 7 chakras, the 7 chakra Bhatmas, I offer it as a Sumegala and Bhatma Mala for you. This is the Sumegala and Bhatma Mala for you. Pushpam Nana Vidam Data Amayadyair Bhava Pushpair Archayet Bhava Gosharam. I visualize so many other different kinds of flowers. And now I am offering that to you. What are the different flowers? Amayam means disillusionment. Amayam. Mayam means illusion. Amayam, pure intelligence, is the first flower. Anahankaram means egolessness, second flower. Aragam, non-attachment. Ragam means attachment. Aragam, non-attachment, is the third flower. Amadam, madam means ego. Amadam, humbleness, is the fourth flower. Amohagam, the no moha, the non-desire state, is the fifth flower. Adambam, dambam means pride. Adambam, the sixth flower. The humbleness is the sixth flower. Advesham, dvesham means vengeance, violence. Advesham means non-violence or non-vengeance, attitude with mind with no vengeance. Advesham. Akshobha Gaudata. Shobham means luxury. Akshobham means simplicity. Akshobha Gaudata. Amatsaryam. Matsarya means impurity. Amatsarya means purity. Amatsaryam means purity. Alobam. Lobam means miserliness. Alobam means the generosity. Generosity is the 10th flower. You see, Amayam, one flower. Anahankaram, Aragam, Amadam, Amogagam, Adambam, Advesham, Akshobam, Amatsaryam, Alobam. Dasa Pushpam Vidurbuda. I offer these 10 flowers. If you just do this Manas Puja mantra, that is not enough. Unless you have all these flowers, how will you offer it? How will you offer it? It's a great purification process. It's actually a great purification process. Ahimsa paramam pushpam. Ahimsa, the next flower. Pushpam indriya nigraha. Indriya nigraha means controlling the senses, is the second flower. Daya pushpam, the compassion, is the third flower. Shama pushpam, forgive me, the others, is the fourth flower. Jnana pushpam means the knowledge or the wisdom, that is the fifth flower. Jnana Pushpanja Panjamam 5. Idi Panjadasayir, first 10, now 5. Idi Panjadasayir 15 Pushpam. Bhava Pushpaihi, I visualize these 15 Pushpas and Sambhujayet, I do puja with that Pushpas to Sri Guru, to Sadguru, to my beloved Master. Pushpam Nana Vidam Data Amayadyair Bhava Pushpaihi Archayet Bhava Kosharam. Means I visualize all this type of Pushpas and offer it, start worshipping you in the through visualization.